You can turn this professional 3D letter art in Canva. No design skills needed. I will show you step by step how to turn a simple R, this is the initial of my name, into a stunning cave and beach designs. Let's dive in. Start with opening your Canva, and if you want to make it as a printing purpose, like t-shirt printing maybe, go to custom size and type here 4500 pixels and click create design. Now let's add the text. Click text and add a heading. Type the letter. For example, I would type R as initial of my name and then change the font to a bold and rounded font like OptiTouch regular. I will increase the size to create a realistic cave effect. We should add a connector from this hole to this part. So I will go to Tools and choose Draw. I will choose this marker. I will change the color to the same color as the background, which is white. And then I will go to Setting and add a weight. And then start drawing here. It's too small. I will make it bigger. I will make it here. Okay. Feel free to draw here. Okay, click this one. I will remove this part. I don't need this. And then download it as PNG and click download. Alright, I prefer to add another page. And then upload here the PNG of the letter. And then I will remove the background. You can make it A for autumn, B for beach, M for mountain, D for desert, or anything. Okay, I will move it here. And then go to element and type here rock on the photos. Let's find a square rock element. I will use this one. Okay, select it and go to apps. Type here cutout and choose image cutout maker and click this icon. And then scroll down to image, select the R, and then click use selected image. Now let's increase the size, place it in the center. Alright, now add a new page again, and then scroll down here and add to design. Okay, now let's increase the size, like this, and I will make it bigger. Okay, and then I will duplicate, place the duplicate right on the origin, and then go to edit, scroll down to dual tone, choose custom. I will make it black, so click the highlight and change it to black. Also the shadow to totally black. Okay, wait until it become a check mark. I will go back and then choose blur. Go to whole image. For this size of letter, I will add intensity 35. Okay, and then close it. Now let's create the cave effect using go to apps and then type here warp and choose warp brush. Click the icon. Click warp. Let's see the size of the brush. Okay, now let's reduce it. Okay, it's enough. Now click here and drag to the left. Click here and drag to the top, just like this. Okay. All right. Feel free to drag. Okay. Almost finished. And then I will reduce the brush size to create effect here. Okay. All right, radius more for this part. Okay, I will increase more for this part. All right. Okay, now we have it. And then click save. All right, so we now have a cave effect. And then add the background that you want. For example, I like beach very much, so I will add a beach photo. I will type here beach. I will use this one and increase the size. Send it to back. And then let's add some element. For example, coconut tree. Enter. I will use this one. I will flip it horizontal. I will place it here. And then I will add this one. Okay, I will reduce the size. And I will rotate like this. I will place it here. Okay, go to position, layers, and then select these two element. Move it in front of the beach photo. So now we have it. And you can also add your photo with back view. For example, just for make it easy, I will type here man backpack. Enter. On the photos, I will choose this one. Reduce the size and I will place it here. And then to make it look more realistic, go to edit and adjust. I will reduce the brightness. All right. So now we have it. And then download it. Page 3 only. Done as PNG or as PDF. And then click download. And then you can go to your print shop and print it. And if you want to show it to your audience as a t-shirt design, just go to Canva Home and go to apps and scroll down to Mockup. Go to apparel on the t-shirt part or anything. I will choose t-shirt and choose the mockup, choose the model. For example, I will choose the model with no background like this one. And then select, go to upload and choose from your computer. Open and then click here, next, and change the color to the same color which is black. Okay, and you can adjust the image, adjust the position. You can make it bigger or move the position. Okay, and then click save and save mockup and then download it. Let's see the result. All right, so now we have it. Please hit the like button if you like this video, share to your social media, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next video and have fun with Canva.